Ashwini Gujral ready? Yes, we can go to him. Ashwini, what's in store for us? A Big Bang Friday?
Yeah, good morning, Nichols. The only thing I agree with Jim on is gold. You know, it's the same record that's been playing for the last 3 years. I doubt, people like him have made a lot of money, because the point remains that long term we'll worry about in the long term. I think next 1 week is going to be pretty good for us. I think yesterday I mentioned on one of your shows that the best thing right now is the low expectations, and we are positioned for a June 2009 type of an event, and I think we got it yesterday from the Indian government. The US, FOMC was pretty much known, discounted. Anybody who's seen Ben Bernanke over the last couple of years knows he won't disappoint the market. But the big deal was what came from here and what is in the pipeline, etc. So the next 1 week, if you have long positions, hold them till coming Thursday, and in the next 4 or 5 days, 90% of the gain should be there with you, regardless of whatever happens, because the expectations will now get built up. So for the day, we need to stay long on the Nifty above 5434. Clearly, we are going to jump a lot of resistances, and that's often a good thing. So most likely you will get a trend day which closes at the highs, and Nifty needs to stay above 5434, resistance at 5447, 5460, support at 5421, 5408. Bank Nifty needs to stay above 10,212 and CNXIT above 6500. BTST from yesterday, IGL is a buy with a stop about 252, target of 266. Jet Airways is a buy with a stop about 352, target of 375. Bharti is a sell with a stop about 261, target of 246. Fresh Calls Financial Technologies is a buy with a stop about 890, target of 940. HDFC is a buy with a stop about 740, target of 775. Gujarat Fluoro is a buy with a stop about 360, target of 385. Bata is a buy with a stop about 935, target of 970. And finally, OMC's BPCL is a buy with a stop about 345, target of 375. And HPCL is a buy with a stop about 300, target of 325.